Well, fellas, I would love to say that it's a good day above the fescue, but as you can see, I no longer have any fescue at the shop. It's all smoked off, and maybe we can get you in the comments, get a little lively. First idea I had, and I smoked this off, was to go iron cutter Bermuda because I am partial to Mountain View seeds, MP genetics, the whole Mountain View family. Or what I've been thinking about the last few days is, I'm supposedly the fescue freak, supposedly. Maybe, just maybe, we do a single cultivar, such as like titanium or something, titanium GLS, and keep it at like 1.25 inches. I believe my Rolux X25 will go to 1 3/8 inches, I believe. So the goal is to real mow here. I sold the turf tracer, it's gone. And so now we're going to real mow something in this area. I don't know if it's going to be warm season. I don't know if it's going to be cool season. I wouldn't mind experimenting with some warm season and start learning a little bit there. So hit the comments. Let's vote. Are we going warm season? A total different route. Are we going cool season? I mean, part of me would like to put ARTIMUSS here and see how it handles being cut short. I definitely, I've got this smoked off. I got to level it up some. This was just an old pasture. It was actually the fence line, and there's a lot of humps and bumps, and I've always hated that in the past when I did have fescue here. The stripes would be straight as an arrow, but with the curvature and everything that went on here, yes, stripes is crooked. No, the land's just not level. The stripes are straight from A to B. It's just a reflection. But anyway, we're going to figure out the square footage exactly here since it's smoked off. And like I say, we're going to do something with a real mower. I got my MOASURE. This thing's pretty handy for checking square footage. If some of y'all are out there trying to pull a tape or roll a wheel, you got to check this out. I'll put the link or whatever or something. This thing's pretty cool. I seen it last year at Expo. And if you're going to Expo, let's get registered. Let's meet up. Let's give away some of these hats at the Expo. Got a code, save you 50% on registration, TFF50. You can get in for like $15 right now. If you wait to the day of, at the gate, you're looking at $120. But get signed up, man. It's a really cool event. You see a lot of vendors. You meet a lot of people. VP Racing Fuels will be there. I just may go hang out at their booth for a little bit. Maybe we'll do a giveaway in the VP Racing booth. Maybe we'll do some kind of giveaway. Some straw hats, possibly some shirts, maybe some of their power spouts, some of their funnels, something. Do some kind of giveaway. Don't know. But we'll definitely be at the Expo, definitely be at their booth a little bit, and I hope to see some of y'all there. I'm going to fire up the Rolux X25, and I am going to get rid of all this dead plant material, I guess you say, and get this ready to figure out what I'm gonna do here. So again, hit the comment section, please. Let's vote. We're going warm season, we're going back cool season. I can't really be a Bermuda freak, can I? Maybe, I don't know. Be sort of cool to learn about the warm season stuff. Total different, plant. The only reason I'm not a fan of warm season is I don't like stuff going dormant, and I just about can mow 11 months out of the year probably. I know for a fact 10 with the fescue, with the ARTIMUSS. But anyway, this is something to learn with. I'm definitely doing a section over here of nothing but 365 SS. So I will have some cool season here at the shop still yet to play with. Like I say, I really like the whole Kinsey family, the whole Mountain View company. I like those people, so I like to stay loyal to them. So I like to keep their cultivars. That's one reason I smoked this off. This had a bunch of different cultivars, a bunch of different stuff over the years. And originally it was winning colors. I struggled badly with gray leaf spot. And then it got overseeded with some stuff that had, what was that? Multiple cultivars. Shoot, I don't know. It goes back a ways. But I tried different stuff here. Got to see the different textures of different cultivars. But I want to, like I say, I want to stick with the Mountain View cultivars. Thank you. Peace out. Again, I'd love to say it's a great day above the fescue, but there's no fescue left right here, except for just that edge that I got over on my pops down the property line. But anyway, please like, subscribe. 5,000 subscribers. We're going to have a giveaway right now. It is a straw hat and a long sleeve Fescue Freak shirt, but that pot is going to grow. There's going to be some companies that'll jump in there. We'll have some fertilizers. We'll have some soil tests. We'll have some things that are useful to other Fescue Freaks. Peace out. Have a good day. All right, let's get started again. Waiting connect. Place to start. Yep. All right, it's turned red. It's green. It's red. It's green. Oh boy. It tells you to pause. I mean, this thing, it's pretty cool. And it's got a bar on there. It tells you basically what to do. Man, I'm walking about 25 foot at a time. That's a pretty good guess. Oh, went 27 that time. Boom. All right, so there we got perimeter. We've got everything. So I'm done. I wish I wouldn't have done that. I think I should have done something different. I have to figure out what I'm doing wrong.